Let's talk about a few of the features and benefits of the Pros Pick truck bed. To start, all of our beds are made with 16 gauge satin coated steel. The satin coat finish on the steel ensures that in the areas such as inside the bedroll, up inside the stake pocket, the metal is protected and you don't have to worry about rust starting. Preparing for paint is also easy with our beds because they all come epoxy primed. We also have no spot welds in our pockets, so you don't need to spend any time filling holes. This bed highlights Pros Pick's Smoothie tailgate and one-piece roll pan with a light kit. You'll notice no latches, no hinges, giving the back of your truck a nice smooth profile. With the tailgate open, you'll notice the subtle hinge system that hides away inside the rear cross member. It's a nice low profile latch and strap system with all stainless hardware.